Hey guys, this is Jeremy from Hoi An. This is an incredible place. It's an old merchant town, a little bit south of Da Nang. We've been here for almost 5 days. It's been fantastic. We did a lot of filming. We bought some Hoi An suits, which they are famous for. That's the old town, old bridge, and we had a lot of fun. And I want to share this with you.
When we wanted to make these videos, we were partly influenced by the Top Gear Vietnam special, where the guys rode in their tailored suits up the Hoi An Pass. In our version of the film, we would attempt to ride our boosted boards down this amazing stretch of road. These roads look like they were meant to be carved. But after recognizing that it presents a logistical nightmare for just two guys to attempt, and not to mention quite perilous as well, we bravely decided to stick with Hoi An as our backdrop instead. Hoi An is teeming with hundreds of shops that can make cheap, high-quality, tailored suits. With so many stores to choose from, you can easily get lost. We ordered ours from Adong Silk because it came highly recommended by a friend who recently visited Hoi An. From the minute we entered the shop, we were immediately looked after. They have thousands of fabric on hand to choose from, and they can fashion any style of suits you fancy. Once you have selected your choice of fabric and style of suit, they'll take your measurements, and by the next day you can come back for a fitting. Now that's what you call express service. Now when we came back the following day, we placed an order for another suit. We wanted to see if the tailors of Adong Silk could make us something unique. We wanted them to make us a traditional cheongsam, just like the one that Jet Li wears in those kung fu movies like Once Upon a Time in China. And in the next morning, someone was extremely excited to try on their new suit. If you are ever in Hoi An and want to make a suit or a dress, drop into Adong Silk and please look for Van. She's the one that helped us with our crazy and unusual requests. She told us where to find the best banh mi in town and where to get the best fur as well. Side note, it's just across the street from Adong Silk. She was basically our personal concierge, and we appreciate everything that she's done for us. Now even filming in Hoi An presented some of its challenges. Purely relying on the drones to do all the tracking shots was never going to work because the drone was never going to fly low enough. So we decided to recruit some local videographers to help us out. Now let's check out some of the outtakes from that day. Today I'm auditioning for the role of Wong Fei Hong, and so is Tam. So
No, I'm dressed like this because I'm auditioning for Chan Hon.
This was how we got all the low angle shots and the reaction shots at the same time. Riding your electric skateboard in your Wong Fei Hong costume is bound to get you some attention. I tried showing one of the locals how to ride a boosted board. Our camera guy tried riding the boosted board for the first time with all his expensive camera gear. Hoi An is a super friendly town.
Hello!
Hi!
Everyone's always laughing and very helpful. Even the kids are super friendly. Turns out they just wanted to ride the booster board. Hoi An is very different from the likes of Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. they restrict the amount of motorcycle use in this area of Old Town, making it easier for people to walk and cycle around, allowing tourists like ourselves to explore and appreciate the ancient town. For us on the booster boat, it was a lot of fun, and there is no greater feeling than being able to travel freely with the sun in your face and the wind in your hair. If you are ever in Vietnam, you need to come here. We really had a ton of fun making this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and subscribe so we know you really loved it.